Yes, my peeps, all viewers and subscribers, welcome to this YouTube channel, Spearfishing with Odane. Yeah, and we're there one more year again on the farmer business. You're going to hear what I want. You understand? And for all of the youth them, we plan to come here, so you don't listen to this, you can't lose. But remember, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, we need your views. Listen what I want. Aye.
Good morning, world. Welcome back to the life of FarmWorker. You know, the man in Canada with peeps, the life of a Jamaican farmer. So I just decided to want to share the journey with peeps and the life. Yeah, man, a day in the life with you, my people. Yeah, man, so you guys can have an insight of what it is like. Yeah, man, here in Canada. So stick and stay tuned to the channel with peeps. Yeah, man, and like up the video, watch the ads so you can be able to make a revenue. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back, you know, to yours truly channel. It's your boy Odane, you know. It's another day my people at work. So we are head out here now, as I see. Make it on the bus here. Head out from the work here now, my people. So we just have to give you guys a tour. A road tour while we're heading to work, my peeps, you know. So stick and stay tuned to the channel, guys. Yeah. So now we make it on the bus now, guys, and I'll load up. Dip on some more guys, you know. Yeah, man, brand new morning, brand new day. Bus up and running, you know. Yeah, man. Big sub.
I thought. Let's start the job. Move on the proper yard. Yeah, you got it.
Finally we reach on the location now, you know. Time to take on some work. Yeah, my people. So we head out in the field now. See if we can find back the road what we did. You know, we did some unfinished road, guys. Same thing, man, same apple tinning, you know. 2 weeks time before we are going to finish apple tinning and switch over upon cherry season, my people. Yeah, so basically that's it again today. Apple tinning, my people. Yeah, guys, and I want to say thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for the love. Really appreciate it, my people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's a blessing, guys. Yeah, my people. So we're out here again this morning, people. That's it. Man, we out here on the work. FarmWorker vibes, you know, meditation, my peeps. See it? Yeah, man.
The man peeps, the boss there. You see me? And my general man, I have to go and watch your general do, you know? Same now, Holland. I'm scared, you know. I think I'm going to fishing in bad pan. Yeah, man, in bad in everywhere, man. He might done his head. Yeah, man. Up.
See it?
Yeah, man, morning, my peeps, man. Yeah, man, run and walk out here again, you know? Yeah, as usual, and the general I work. Yeah, man, the same thing. Thinning, so not struggle is real. Yeah, man, we have to do it, you see it? Yeah, man, up, my peeps.
How this?
You put it on the clip here now, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, up, we say, no?
Up, man. Sam Mullins. Out there again. AKA the Doom.
You know, subscribe to your channel, you know. Joke thing, you know.
Yeah, my people, so they're complete, you know. Our journey ahead towards the bus, guys. Because I'm lovely. You know, so some day, my peeps. Regardless the sun, I beat me bad out here, you know. You know, outside. That is it, my peeps. Run and walk.
Bad as usual. Yeah, man, we there, so come off I smoke, you know? Yeah, man. So not like a fire!
Up. So yeah, my people. As I see sun, they are bright. See it? Yeah, man, so head to the bus now, my people. Just I guys them reach to the bus already, me know, because based on when we stop work and them are closer to the bus. Yeah, so we are head to it now, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. See it? Heading to the bus and a speedy vibes, you know?
Remember, from high, you know. The one game I think you will like ball, I will get in our 19. There's a 2 of them, and I'm 3 balls, you will like 3 footballs.
Stop on the road, you know, coming from work and we have develop a little problem. Yeah. Develop a little problem. Stop on the road, you know. Yeah, man, bus brought down power while coming from work.
Yo, gentlemen, ladies, don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe to the thing.
See it? Oh, so we have to just easy back. We don't have an thing to do. We have to just stand watching, looking, thinking. See it? Coming from work while we develop a little mechanical problem with the bus. So we have to just out here and go and wait. I have no idea what to do. Yeah, man. So it's easy. We just standing, watching, looking. Nobody have thing to do. So we have to do so easy but my peeps. We don't have nothing to do.
Yeah man, I really man.
That is it. Tell my people, mash up with meditation. Coming from work, bus problem, mechanical problem. That's a good idea, my peeps. Because we there have plans to want to reach home early, go fresh up and rest. Call the family, talk to the kids back home, cook some food, eat. You know? Oh God, man. No, we left out here stranded, my people. It's not why feelings, yeah. Good. Man, facts of life.
Yeah. Original Toby, aka Facts of Life. Yeah, pastor the real one. Yeah. So them things we have to go through, you know. But we give a thanks still because I saw it happen in the world and how we think. Yeah. So remember to subscribe and like, you know. Yeah. And share. Because you know, we need your comment right down in the comment section. Yeah man.
Yeah man, my people left stranded. Everything I pass with. See it?
Yeah man. Nobody be happy to walk.
Stranded we left. So we having a problem with the turbo. With that was the I just see bottom clamp fly off. So we use one boat catch it to hold it down. But I don't think it's gonna work, you know. See it? Try something. See if this is something though. Yeah man. One man I look a ride. Can't take the pressure no more.
Yo!
What Marcia do?
Yo sir. Who up someone coming down?
The turbo can't bleed, Marshall.
No, a computer.
But if the vehicle pass upon the road, my peeps, nobody not top. See it? So we have to just easy back. We don't have an thing to do. We have to just stand watching, looking, thinking. See it? Alright, my peeps, so we get it start up and running, you know, as I see. Yeah man, we get your start here now. Sure no I go on. Up and running. We get a clamp my peeps, so we are change it. Yeah man, you see look here now. It's a new brand clamp, so we are changing it.
Give me. Oh my God, what that was?
So we'll put on clamp, tighten up clamp, and shut back the chunk, you know? Yeah man, so we head back home and head back in the bus and head home.
Oh, you mean
hopefully no problem develop again with people. Yeah man. Well, today is a no work day, you know. Yes, I know want to see what have a look bus problem and things. So basically we are gonna use the day for shopping, you know, get some food. Yeah man, fat up at the kitty. See it?
Chop, chop. See it there? Out there.
Yeah, man. So we're there. I change off some parts off of the bus and thing. I have a big bad mechanic underneath the bus. Show no how I go on. So I go change the oil, we change the filter, power steer and everything. I will get a brand new.
That one them more full, but the underneath one.
Brand new strap, you know. Original strap. I'll show you different to the strap when we're done, peeps. See it? So see, strap them I know, you know. Now water strap, let's see. If you use two, make one. You see difference with it. It's an original strap, you know. You see, you have a spring.
Yeah,
spring pan it. See them? Them have spring pan them. Original. So we have filter, you know. A change seal gone in it, you know. See it? So there are changes too. Yeah, so we have a secretary come take order, buy up the parts, you know, what we need. Yeah, man. So we have a secretary come take order, buy up the parts, you know, what we need. Yeah, man. We're up and running you now, guys.
Hey, me say you see you give yourself very day now, man.
Oil.
Don't tell you.
Yeah, man.
Hey, that was it.
Filter changer now. Change the filter. Let's see. So we have a big mechanic, Marshall. Yeah, man, you can check him up on YouTube, see him at Marshall World. Yeah, man, the man sell some vintage record, you know. So, man, he a record, man. And he have his second same way. See, change power steering oil. So yeah, my people, you know, just see bus up and running back again for another day. The man say, you know, tomorrow fit for the road, fit for take on work again, my people, you know. The man so say, just continue to pray, yeah man, with us. That's God protect us throughout our journey here, my peeps, and you know. Not only here, my people, but forever, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's a dry, you know? Yeah, man, so we want to say just continue to support the channel as well, my people. Like up the video, share with a friend, yeah, man, and spread the love, my people. Yeah, man, so we want to say until then, guys, we'll come with something epic. Yeah, man, something epic. So, you know, yeah, tomorrow I'm not going to go no apple tinning. Tomorrow I'm go cherry factory. Yeah man, we have few bins of cherry, so I go by the factory. Tomorrow go do some cherry packing, my people. So look out for that one day. You know many of you have never seen what it is like inside of a cherry packing. So if you want to see it, just stick and stay tuned. Turn on your notification bell. Yeah man.